Hi, Jesse Warner here from TruckSmart Isuzu. Today we'll be doing a front end alignment on a 2019 Chevy 3500. This vehicle was involved in a front end collision and it came to us from a body shop, and we're gonna set up the alignment for them. When extensive front end repair is performed, the vehicle needs to be set to manufacturer's specifications by performing a front end alignment. Components replaced on this vehicle include lower control arm, upper control arm, tie rod assembly, steering box, and pitman arm. When you replace this many components in a front end alignment is necessary. All right, I'm going to hand it over to our alignment technician, Brandon. He's going to take you through the steps to get this alignment done on this Chevy Silverado 3500.
What's up, guys? My name is Brandon, the alignment tech here at TruckSmart. We're going to get this Chevy Silverado 3500 back aligned to spec, and I'll walk you through the steps. These are the laser sensors we mount to the wheels to pinpoint the exact specs that the truck needs to be. These mount real easy to the wheels. Just put them up to the rim, tighten it up, and there's a sensor here, keeps everything level and gives you an accurate reading. Now we'll mount the driver's side sensors. And like I said before, they just mount right up to the rim. Fit them the size, tighten them up, and it shows your level. So with our Hunter computer, we're going to open up our alignment program and begin a new alignment. And we select our vehicle specifically so we can get the proper specs. So once the vehicle's in neutral, we use this device here to roll the truck forward onto the plates. We're going to measure the vehicle's caster. Caster is the distance between both front wheels as you're turning. So now that we measured caster, the computer has shown that it is out on both sides just a little bit. We're going to make the adjustments to the upper control arm and get the caster in spec. So right now we're going to use this 24mm wrench, crack our upper control arm loose so we can make our adjustments. Right now we're going to adjust our left side tie rod to bring our toe into spec. So we got the driver's side all lined up in spec. Now we're going to repeat the same process for the passenger side. So we got the Silverado all aligned to spec. Shows our measurements here. As you can see, everything's in the green. So it's our printout here. This prints out our before measurements and our after. As you can see, we made substantial adjustments to this vehicle to get it in spec. We're ready to go. Everything's tight on the truck. All right, let's go for a ride. So the road test after all the work's completed, we're just checking to make sure the truck's driving straight. There's no drifting, pulling. There's no wobble on the steering wheel. So the steering wheel's all straight, there's no pulling or drifting of the truck. We're going to park this one and bring the next one in. All right guys, time to call the customer. This one's all done. We're on to the next.